All right, today we scored this building here. We're doing the cleaning here. In the windows, the marble floor, the windows, and the office spaces. The bathrooms. Sinks. It's a big warehouse. Clean. How big that is? Yeah. Vacuum this. Spray that down. Get the break room. Nice and clean. Smells good. Big warehouse. Ran a floor scrub over here, big machine. We ran up there, cleaned all this up. All of it. Did both warehouses, as a matter of fact. Been with the owner, I think now about a couple of years. Oh, they put a fence up in here. That wasn't there. Office space. Spotless, clean and 7. Do big things, great things, and great work.